Manitoba unveils flexible color-coded COVID-19 response team. Agnes Camus from Winnipeg for the details.
The #Restart Manitoba pandemic response system will provide more detailed and localized information about the current risk of COVID-19 and the specific measures being taken to reduce the spread.
Good afternoon.
Manitoba has rolled out a new system to show where COVID-19 cases are appearing in the province and the measures being taken to stop the spread. The new online resource will give a more tailored and focused approach to COVID-19 by region, localized site or sector in the province. According to the government, the goal is to implement targeted measures to reduce transmission and contain the spread rather than putting restriction on the entire province. The pandemic response system is our next step in guiding what we can do together to keep ourselves informed and make decision about the health and the health of others, said Rusin. The response plan will class COVID-19 risk by 4 levels in the province. The risk levels are red for critical, which means community spread is not contained or there are significant strains on the healthcare system. Orange for restricted, which means community transmission is occurring and public health measures are being taken to manage the impact on health and the healthcare systems. Yellow for caution, which means there are low levels of community transmission, and green for limited risk, which means the spread of COVID-19 is broadly contained or there is a vaccine or effective treatment available. On Wednesday, the system launched with Manitoba in the yellow category, with the province saying COVID-19 continues to remain a threat but community transmission levels are low. If Manitobans are hoping the province will see a green level soon, Rusin said not to expect that in the near future. I think that having that green in there, knowing that we are not in that level are now and may not be in the near future. He also noted this new program will help Manitobans learn to live with the virus. The province said there are multiple and isolated clusters of cases which are mostly contained. Businesses can continue operating with some restrictions in place for occupancy and physical distancing. If the orange restricted category comes into effect, gathering sizes may be limited, travel restrictions could be implemented, and businesses could be forced to put further occupancy limits in place. If the red or critical level comes into effect, non-essential businesses could be ordered to close, and restaurants would have to ship to takeout, delivery, or drive-through options. The system will be available in both English and French. NDP leader Wab Kino said the program will be something Manitobans are interested in and study, but he notes the province has still failed to do something for places like Brandon. The pandemic response system was established to ensure that all Manitobans have the most current information so they can plan, they can prepare, they can keep themselves safe by following the fundamentals of the guidance from the public health officials. Reporting from Winnipeg, Manitoba, this is Agnes Camus, SMNI News, Canada.